Hit the road for the first time in 3 months, super excited, traveling, boom. What's that noise? Right there, life on the road. So what do you do when you have repairs you have to get completed on the road? Well, it's pretty much the same as you would wherever you're from. Now, we happen to just switch residencies from Minnesota to Texas, so ours is a little more complicated. Our glass coverage was a little bit different, so we hopped on the line with our insurance right away, found out what we needed to get done. Our campground actually happened to recommend a local glass place, so we were able to swing by there, show them the crack. We've got appointments scheduled for Wednesday, so the kids and I are going to head out on Wednesday and hopefully get it taken care of. So we just dropped the Jeep off for the glass repair. So just a couple of things to keep in mind when you're getting a repair done on the road. How long will it take the repair facility to get the parts that you need for the repair? Can they get it in time before you have to leave where you're at and get to your next location? Can you delay your travels if you're able to? Lots of different things to consider. Are your insurances any different based upon the state that you're in? All that kind of thing. So the biggest thing is to make sure, sorry, cars going by, that you do your research and you know what to expect. Hopefully the Jeep's on soon. Jack Jeep is back. Shout out to Delhi Glass in Louisiana. They totally got the repair done for us. We're even able to save some of our park stickers and license sticker, that sort of thing. Hour and 45 minutes wait, not a big deal. We're super happy, super pleased. I'm glad they could fit us in. Just keep those things in mind when you're getting repairs done on the road. Can they fit you in the right amount of time for your travels? How quickly do you need to get the repair done? All that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, put those in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys on the road.